Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. So in this video, one of the viewers pointed out that when you come here into the kitchen, you can walk up to the door, but you're not able to go in. The workaround is to click in the garage from there. But again, you can't click through there. And so I was curious as to why. I thought it might have something to do with what the reason was, which is that when I did the scan, I didn't have the door open. And so it didn't open right until this point. And what Realsee told me was there was still some artifacts from having that door closed. So we're going to go and trim that out, basically. We're going to go to Model Fix Up. And then we're going to move this over. And you can see here, this is blocking the doorway. So we're going to try to trim that out. We're going to do a side view. And it says click the left mouse wheel. And it makes it kind of big. So we don't want to trim all of that out. But we definitely want to be able to get through that doorway. So we will put it there, and then we'll come there. We still have some we gotta trim, so I'm gonna lift that up a little bit. We're gonna go over. Okay. And that looks good. We'll hit save on that. And then we're gonna do the same thing right here, where this door is. First we're going to hit apply to that. Let's see. It's applying that first one. And I'm going to do another trim. Oh, maybe we can only do one at a time. Yeah, it looks like we can only do one at a time. Ideally, I would have had that door open when I was scanning, and I think I just kind of forgot. I thought I don't know what I thought, but I didn't scan it. So this is, like I said, the workaround for that. I'm going to pause the video and then we'll come back when this has been applied. Okay. So that took a few minutes, and it says the current list has been applied to the 3D model. So let's do this next one. I'm going to hit Model Trim. We're going to do the side view. Sorry, the 3D view. Let's see if we can do the side view. Yeah, we'll go back to 3D. Okay, we're gonna have to Massage this a little bit. Okay, so we have that one done. We'll hit save. And we will apply. And then I'm going to pause this and we'll check out the finished product. Okay, everybody. The current list has been applied to the 3D model. So we're going to go back to the preview. Remember, we couldn't click in before. So we're going to hit refresh. And we're going to see if this works. So now you'll see that the feet appear. So we can click in. And then we're going to click this one. And now we can click all the way through. So that's how you apply a trim to remove the artifact to be able to click where you previously couldn't click. Using the model fix-up feature of Realsee. If you have any comments, leave them below. Like, share, subscribe the video. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.